Yes, so if I just go ahead and change anything again and I save this particular file, you can see again the application bundler kicks off, and you can see again there are two exclamation marks which are added over here. That means it is watching for the changes. But at the same time, there are a lot of configurations, right? There are a lot of configurations which really comes into picture while we go ahead. So rather than writing it directly from the command line, we have to create a file called webpack.config.js. webpack.config.js. So if I just go over here, I'll create a config. So my config is nothing going to be somewhat like this. I just copy and paste the code over here. So what it's really tell is whatever knowledge I was giving from the command line, it is just put down over here. So this is going to be a module again, and it is going to be having an entry. So entry is going to be my source app, and my output is going to be bundle app. So every time I really don't need to, whenever I want to bundle my application, I don't have to give any inputs or any parameters from my command line. So this would be understood by Webpack itself. So now if at all I go ahead and I just have to say Webpack. Okay, well, if now I have to just say Webpack, and over here I have to just say something called the development watch. So if you can, okay, let me put as well. So if I just put it over here, okay, so now it again starts working, and over here I'll just again put one more exclamation. So let's see whether it works or not. Oh yes, it just kicked off. And into my bundler, you can see now there are three exclamations. So that is cool. So this is really working good for us. But again, we are not going to write the commands like this. Rather than that, we just move on to our package.json, and I'll just write some of the scripts which will help us to write code. So I'll just remove this particular test which came with the ng in it. I'll say dev, and I'll just say npm, no, nothing. I'm gonna say webpack, run it into dev mode, and also watch it. At the same time, I'm going to add something called prod, and I'm going to say webpack, and I'm going to say run prod, but I don't want to watch it. For production, there's no need to really watch the changes. So now, so when I come over here, I'll just clear the stuff out, and I can just go and say npm run dev again. So now, okay, so it's working good. Now I'll just go ahead and I'll just remove, my exclamations, and I'm going to just say save. So again, it is running into watch mode because I asked it to run into the dev script. So now you can see the exclamations are gone. At the same time, if at all I want to run it into production mode, I can just say npm run prod, and just to put enter, you can say everything is going to be in one line now, and you can see everything is there changing. So this is it, guys, for Webpack, and if at all you find it really helpful, please comment, share, and also find me on my Facebook page that is called GM Tools. You can just search on Facebook, and if at all it was really helpful for you guys, please subscribe the channel, because it really motivates me to do good work for you guys. And thanks a lot for bearing me. Thank you.